taking the foot peg off, put center stand on. Takes a 12 millimeter. Installing the T-Rex center stand, skid plate, lower engine mount, crash guard, and the upper crash guard.
Okay.
See if we can get this started, please. Worst part, yeah. How are you gonna get the bolt and that screws in there? Gotta pull it back to put the washers in.
You gotta put your washers there.
Right, let it down. Like that. Go straight and keep going.
You know what you didn't do?
What?
Put your Loctite on.
All right.
Blue Loctite, everything.
Okay.
Requires a 5 millimeter Allen.
Yeah, see, getting this out to put them on this is going to be, let's take that big bolt off.
Stick snug. What are you filming? You know?
I can't see.
Like this.
Hey, you're over.
Where? Right here?
Can you see it? What he's doing?
Try. No.
You can't see. You gotta go over the back.
Just snug.
Alright, now we got to install the spring, which you'll install down on the adjuster first. We don't have the proper tool, so here goes nothing. And there we go. And alright, so now we just got to make our final adjustments. The spring is on. Tighten the stand down. It's a nylon, so we don't have to worry about Loctite. Dad's on the other side. So now we're going to tighten the spring, 12mm socket.
That's good.
Alright. Kawasaki KLR650 model T-Rex center stand. We will be removing. They must have a different size for the S model. And secondly, they hang way too low when cornering.